Guys, in front of me is VIVO V40 Lite, and let me show you how to reset all the settings on this device. So at first, enter the settings, then find and select System. Here locate Reset Options, and now mark Reset All Settings. Tap on Reset All Settings, draw your unlock pattern, mark it here again, and that's it, that will be all. Wait till it's done, and you'll be able to configure your device from scratch. And that's it. So now just set it up from scratch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.